Did you know that? It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. In the course of an average lifetime, while sleeping you could eat around 70 different insects and 10 spiders, or more. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. The first cell phone was actually invented in the 1800s, but it was so big and heavy that it had to be carried around on a horse-drawn carriage. Blue whale tongues can weigh as much as an elephant. 4 are real facts and 1 is a bullshit. Guess which one is a lie in the comments section right now.